Hello everyone. So a couple months ago, we reached out to you asking for your feedback about our channel and its future. And boy, did you guys deliver. The responses were insane. It was massive, so many responses. Honestly, Paul and I had to make ourselves a few extra cups of coffee as we went through everything. But let me tell you, every single minute of it was worth it. You guys shared everything, from what you love about our content, all the way down to what you hated and what really wasn't working. You shared some new ideas and even some new cool personal stories. It felt like a massive brainstorming session with friends, more so than it did as if Paul and I were just reading responses from a survey. I didn't expect it to be as fun. One thing that came up a lot though, and I mean a lot, were the vlogs and tutorial videos. So here's the deal. They're coming back. And we're not going to just try to do the same old thing. We have some fresh ideas and some new approaches on some of the things. But we're going to try to release weekly vlogs and an additional piece of content per week. And while we can't promise we will always hit those goals, we'll try our best. And there's more. Based on some of the fantastic suggestions, we have started to lay down plans for collaborations, maybe a few guest appearances, and are exploring some new topics and ideas we haven't ventured into before. I personally think it is shaping up to be a really fun mix, and I can't wait for what's coming ahead. Also, a lot of you shared some amusing business mishaps and successes. It's been a blast reading all those responses and really showed to me how much this community has grown to be transparent with each other. Over the years, at Just a Brick in the Bucket, as things got busier, we stepped back a bit from being as open as we once were. Not by design, but perhaps just as a byproduct of all the hustle and bustle. Reading through your feedback, I was struck by the honesty and transparency in all of your responses. It was kind of a wake-up call. Many of you mentioned that you missed the monthly sales recap videos that we used to do, where we would dive into our revenue and touch briefly on certain expenses. Well, we heard you loud and clear. Starting in September, those monthly sales recaps will be making a comeback. It's our way of kind of pulling back the curtain and letting you in on the actual runnings of a Lego parts store. We have always believed in the power of being open and transparent. It's really time we get back to that. So, what's been happening behind the scenes for the past couple months while we haven't posted anything? Well, we were really excited that we just had our best summer on record. And we've also been drowning in all the feedback in the best way possible from everything you sent in. But aside from that, we have been really trying to organize, plan, and get everything set up for some of the upcoming content. There's a buzz in the air to a degree for a few of the teammates we have that are helping us with this, and while this comeback will be slow, we are not sprinting right out of the gate. We are very excited for the future. For those of you who maybe are new here or just stumbled across this video, welcome. And if you like where this is heading, or where it sounds like it's heading, be sure to click that subscribe button, and maybe click the little bell icon as well. It'll help keep you in the loop. Wrapping things up, I want to genuinely thank each and every one of the hundreds of fans who responded to our survey, and give each and every one of you a massive thank you for being very active participants in this channel and this channel's journey, including into the future. All right, I think that's enough rambling. Mark your calendars for Monday, September 4th, when the first weekly vlog is set to return. Thank you all for watching. We will see you soon. Oh, and welcome back.